Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. To all my current subscribers, thanks so much for your continued support, and I hope everyone is doing well in these trying times that we are in right now. But anyway, let's get to it. So in today's video, I am actually reviewing this dip powder kit from Mello'Z Nailz. And they actually contacted me and asked me if I would like to try their products, and I said yes. So here we are. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to show you guys everything that's in the box, and then I'm going to actually do the nails on my right hand just so we could try out the product, see how it works, and see how everything goes. So we're going to start the unboxing here in a second. But I just want to also let you guys know that I do have a code that they gave me for all my subscribers. It will give you 15% off of the any dip powder kit or any glue kit on the site. You just add the code, it's summer15, all caps, and that will get you 15% off. I'll make sure to put all that in the description below, and I'll also put the link to the website so you can go straight to it from there. They also wanted me to let you guys know about their Facebook group. It's called the Beauty Circle on Facebook, so I'll put a description in the link, a link in the description for that as well. Sorry guys. Oh, another note on the kit, the colors, they can also be used as both dip powder and acrylics. So all the colors that you see here in this kit, you can use them for both. So, but in this video, I'm just using it as dip. I think I am going to do another video trying it as acrylic just to see how that works out. But anyways, in this video, we're just doing the dip. So, yeah, so that was really all I needed to let you guys know. I'm just showing you here what's in the box and everything that they sent me, and then once I do the unboxing, then we'll come back and do my nails. So I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. Okay guys, so I am back, and here are the 3 colors. I just went ahead and swatched them on these swatch sticks. I wish I had some clear ones, but I couldn't find mine, because I think that pink one, it's actually looking a little red to me. I don't know, maybe it's just on the camera or whatever, but it actually does in person too, so it's not just the camera. But anyway, so I went ahead and did put a clear, just dip my nails in this clear acrylic powder that I had, just so that the color of the powder doesn't stain my nails. I know it looks really rough, but I just kind of wanted it to be more on the nail bed than on the nail tips. So I'm gonna go in with this pink color. I think it's the 90s baby is what it's called, and that's the one that I'm going to be using on my nails. So I'm just going to, and sorry I was a little bit out of the camera when I put this base coat on, but this is where you start. So you start with the base coat, and I just prep my nails actually like I would if I was doing acrylic. So I did, you know, the filing and stuff, and then I used my regular dehydrator and primer and all that stuff before I dipped in the clear. So I did do that first. But here I'm out of focus, actually out of frame, sorry, going in with this base coat, my first coat. And then once I'm done with that, then I will go ahead with my first dip. And what I understand, the way it works best is if you dip your finger in at an angle, that actually makes the powder go on smoother, from what I understand, from what I've seen. So you don't want to go straight down in, but you want to go at an angle. And then now you just brush it off with the brush that came with the kit. Just brush it off. And these colors, this color was really pigmented. I mean, I had pink all over the place when I was done with this. But now I'm going in with the second coat of the base coat. And then you just want to go in. You do this as many times as you want to get the coverage that you want. You don't want to do it too thick, obviously, but you just want to make sure that you have enough coverage on the nail, especially doing it the way I'm doing it. I'm using tips. You want to make sure that you have enough coverage, and the nail will be stable, I guess is the word. I don't know if that's the word I'm looking for, but you want it to have some body to it or some thickness so that they don't break easy and stuff like that. So I only did 2 coats on each nail with mine because I didn't want to put too much. And I think they came out okay. I'm not, you know, I think this may be like my second or third time using dip powder. So I'm like not the best at it, but I think they still came out pretty good. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch until the end, and I'm just pretty much doing the same thing on all the nails. Like I said, I do 2 coats on each nail, and then you will see it, you know, the finished product if you watch till the end. So thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate all of you, and make sure to watch till the end so you can see the final color and what they actually look like. And oh yeah, one more thing, the top coat that comes with these, the top coat works crazy fast. I mean, when I put it on, they said to use 2 coats. So after you go in with the I forgot what it's called, the step number 3 after the the dip powder, after you've got all your coats, then you go in with step number 3, and then you put on the top coat. So you do the top coat, you do 1 coat, and then you come back and do a second coat, and it dries really fast. I mean, it's almost like you know, put it in a light. So it does dry really fast, which I love because I hate waiting for my nails to dry. So I really love that about this, that you don't have to sit and wait for anything to dry. The top coat dries really fast and it works really good. So all in all, I think this is a pretty good kit. I'm actually looking forward to trying it as acrylic with the monomer and everything. So I'm going to do a video on that next. I'll probably do that on my other hand, that you see this other set. Also, if you want to see this set that I have on my left hand, I'll leave a put that up in the card so you can go check out that video. And I think that was all I needed to say. Don't forget, there's going to be a 15% discount code in the description for you guys, so you can go check out the website, check out their products. Like I said, I really like them. I think it worked pretty well. You know, this is only my third time using a dip. I believe it's my third, but overall the products were pretty good. So I'll leave that code down in the description for you guys to go check it out and continue watching, guys. Thanks so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, thanks guys. Bye. I hope